Also, chapter panun coordinate geometry. Example 4, page number 166. Now, uta for distance formula. As to pata distance by distance formula, we can find distance between any 2 points by using the formula under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. See? Which has 8 examples, formulas, distance formulas, questions using distance formula. Now, example 4 says, we like a question to name. Question says, find a relation. Find a relation between
x and y
x and y
such that point x comma y
xy is equidistant from the points
7,
1
and 3,
and 3, 5. Which is question. So, got some question. Question says, find a relation between x and y. So, actually, x to y must a relation derive. So, we have to find a relation between x and y such that, given cash choice, we have to find relation between x and y. As to which x to y must a relation. X to y must a relation. This kind of relation x to y must such that point x, y. You see point x, y. Point x, y. As to given a point x, y has coordinates. Mano is a numerous point P, given point P with coordinates x, y. So usually point P choice with coordinates x, y, given point, is equidistant from the point 7, 1 and 3, 5. So as you given the point of x, y, yes, it's equidistant. Equidistant asun kya matlab?
Equal distance.
It should equal distance. Distance is barabar. Doyo given point of it. Ak point has 7, 1, back point has 3, 5. Mano is an thawun, say A thawun point with coordinates 7, 1. B nimun back point with coordinates 3, 5. So I'm just 3 point. As per question, has 3 point. Ak point has P, with coordinates x, y. Back has point 7, y, has now point A. Back has given point 3, 5, has now point B. So as to question one, to we say x to y must kya this relation. Use point x, y. Yeah, so A to B per equidistant. So distance is A per dur, yuta A per dur, tuta B per dur. That means distance PA is equal to distance PB. Each has given. So we are given that PA is equal to PB. And we have to find a relation between x and y. Using x, y coordinates point P is. Umne dun coordinates much has relation derive. And we are given that P is at equal distance from A and B. So which give the most solution of this. It's like we let P x y be the point. Point which is equidistant. Equidistant from A 7, 1 and B 3, 5. So as was given, as was questioning, find a relation between x and y such that point x, y is equidistant from the point 7, 1 and 3, 5. So x, y towards point P, 7, 1 towards point A, 3, 5 towards now point B. So as per the given condition, as per the question, actually given that point P is equidistant from A and B. That means distance is A per dur, tuta B per dur. So PA distance is equal to PB distance. It is given to us. and we have to find relation between x and y. So I'm going to let p x y be the point which is equidistant from A point x 71 and point B 35. That is, mentioned, that is PA is equal to PB. It is given now. So PA kas barabar rois PB. So here is relation. Imi must derive relation. As is PA is barabar PB is imi condition, imi given condition. This is relation derived between x and y. Now it implies here now PA as per distance formula. PA by square root of mention formula. You by square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square is equal to PB. PB by distance formula square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now it implies. You bend square root of. Now it's P is hand. PA. PA is x, y, x1, y1. Is an A coordinate. 7 to 1. You bend x2, y2. समझ आएगा? ये लेस PA distance करो ना. P coordinate is x1, x2, y1. You see A coordinate is x2 to y2. Right? So you bend the x square root of x1 बदलो go x. ठीक है? Minus x2 you go 7. Bana x minus 7 whole square plus y1 minus y2. Y1 goes y. You know why? Minus y2 goes 1. Bana y minus 1 whole square is equal to. Now square root of. Which has PB. It is PB is hard on. Bet how P coordinates x1, y1. You see B. Ime coordinates was on x2, y2. ठीक है? Then when x1 minus x2. So goes x minus 3. Then x1 goes x2 goes 3. When x minus 3 whole square plus y1 minus y2. Y1 go y.
Y minus 5 whole square.
Minus y2 badla goes 5. When y minus 5 whole square. Now it implies, now square root both sides cancel. At your root is x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. When equation. Now we will simplify this equation and we will get relation between x and y. So equation is binary relation. So it implies we simplify. Now x minus 7 whole square. We'll simplify karo. In the form a minus b whole square. So when a square go x square plus b square go 7 square, that is 49 minus 2ab. So when 2 into x into 7, so go 14x plus y minus 1 whole square. We'll simplify karo. We'll call on. It's in the form a minus b whole square. A square badla goes y square plus b square badla goes 1 square, that is 1 minus 2ab. When now 2 into y into 1.
2y.
So go 2y. Is equal to x minus 3 whole square. You see in the form a minus b whole square. That is a square go x square plus b square go 3 square, so go 9 minus 2ab when 2 into x into 3, that is 6x plus y minus 5 whole square. Again simplify it. You go y square plus b square go 5 square, that is 25 minus 2ab when 2 into y into 5, that is 10y. Clear? Now it implies, let's simplify equation karo. Quantities, equal quantities, same quantities on both sides, they will cancel out. So you plus x square cancel. Now plus y square cancel. Okay? It implies left hand side is 49 plus 1. Constant, same term. Like terms combine. So 49 plus 1, that is 50. So we get 50 minus 14x is equal to
Minus 2y.
Yes, again minus 2y is equal to plus 9 plus 25. Like terms. Combine. It is 34 minus 6x minus 10y. Clear? Now it implies that x is the y relation derive. Let's how x to y variable terms एक sides means constant term in the big sides so that we will get an equation. Equation means we will get a relation between x and y. Till when you minus 14x, how left hand side is minus 2y. You minus 6 can transfer to left hand side, it is plus 6x plus 10y is equal to right hand side is 34
minus 50.
we go minus 50. Now it implies x and y term combine. It is minus 14x plus 6x. What is that?
Minus 8.
That is minus 8x. Yes, no? Minus 14x plus 6x, you go minus 8x. Then minus 2y plus 8y, it is plus 8y. Plus 8y is equal to 34 minus 50, it is minus 16. Now which implies, simplify simple form is unknown. 8 is common. The side left hand side, right hand side is plus, or we will minus 8. It is minus 8 into x minus y. Minus 8 don't common name. It was minus 8 into it was x equal minus y is equal to minus 16. Now minus 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So which implies x minus y is equal to 2. So is the required relation. Either as x is the y is relation that x minus y is equal to 2. Okay? Now it has back example yet. That is example 5. Example 5. I'm just saying question is based on distance formula. Now example 5 is, it is important example. Example 5. Question says, find a point. Let me question. Find a point
on the y-axis.
On the y-axis. Find a point on the y-axis which is equidistant
from the points.
From the points
A 6, 5.
A 6, 5
and B
minus 4, 3. अब देखो क्वेश्चन क्या है ऐसे क्वेश्चन है ना find a point on the y-axis. So ऐसे y-axis पर point ढूंढो. Point ढूंढो मतलब गो point coordinates काढें. ये ज्यादा था ऐसे ना कुछ जगह क्वेश्चन ऐसे find a point. Point means ऐसे point काढो इस पर. We have to get the coordinates. Required coordinate. अगर ऐसे coordinates नहीं ना that means we got the point. Point ढूंढो मतलब गो point coordinates ढूंढो. So I should point a cardun cut axis.
Y-axis.
So I should cardun tell a sounding point coordinates. But the point is on the y-axis. I should question one. To could a point, to hold a point, to hold a point cut axis. Y-axis. So the point is lying on the y-axis. Say as a rectangular coordinate system. This x-axis and y-axis. So point कहते हैं कहाँ पे y-axis पे switch as locate करूँ switch as ढूंढूं तिम की as coordinates काढूं. So question is find a point on the y-axis. मगर point इसका property point इसका खासियत which is it lies on y-axis. Which question wana which is equidistant from the points 6, 5 and minus 4, 3. Go point to tooth you says A per, as the point B did. A has point at the 6, 5. Like A cut quadrant first quadrant must say let this is point A 6, 5 in the first quadrant. Now B has back point is minus 4, 3. Yeah, second quadrant Mono nimjash point as B with coordinates minus 4, 3. So question choice one to children say point y axis. As point कहता है y axis पर. मगर तिथ पे पॉइंट y axis पे सह A पे B पे बे इक्विडिस्टेंट
Distant.
ठीक again this question that's previously cool. So point is equidistant from A and B and is lying on
Y-axis.
and we have to get the coordinates of that point. Go clear? So point has to with y axis पे number 1 बेचु A S to B S पे equidistant. So the distance be equal from A and B.
B.
Say as a manu point is here manu
Y-axis. Right?
on the y sorry point is here on the y axis.
Y-axis.
Manu this is the point. Look at your point. At how is coordinates? Shabash. At kya asan coordinates? Ili point y axis पे.
Zero.
At has x coordinate 0.
0, comma Y.
है ना? इम coordinate ऐसा 0
0.
and comma y axis at how is y.
Y.
So let P be the point 0 y, which is lying on y axis and is equidistant from A and B.
B.
Pachas nimsin the coordinates card. Go ah coordinate draw as 0. Ash pata. Ach ordinate 0 östi östi. Tel kya sound imsun.
Y.
Kali y yot axis ha bas. You go clear? Asma dono coordinate card. Ach akoi coordinate card. Sugo axis ha yot. Guys, yeli y axis pe
There
chu.
go pane coordinate.
Atha pane ordinate 0. With how was axis ha y. Just like let P 0 y. P 0 karo your is mentioned. Ordinate karo is your mention 0 because point is lying on y axis. Just like let P 0 y be the point which is equidistant from
B.
A 6 5
And B.
and B minus 4 3 है ना? That is अब देखो ये P चो equidistant from A and B. So gonna be that is again PA is equal to PB. Then tell you that P per A is as distance. This I said P per B is time distance. Now is that is PA is equal to PB. Now it implies. You can be simplify. You have yes. No, it is y value. It is y value. Numbers got is y value. It has y value near na. Then as P coordinates. So it implies even a b under root of again you will mention here under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square is equal to under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now it implies okay root cancel x1 minus x2 you shall pa it's a pa card 0 y go x1 y1 6 5 by x2 y2 है ना एक बार clear कर दो x1 minus x2 that is 0 minus 6 whole square plus y1 minus y2 y1 go y y2 go 5 then when you y minus 5 whole square is equal to ये choice right hand side is must pb it's a pb distance card then go p x1 y1 then get b coordinates x2 y2 ठीक है x1 minus x2 whole square so when 0 minus 4 0 plus 4 guys it's a minus 4 it's a double minus it is 0 plus 4 whole square plus y1 minus y2 so go y minus 3 whole square clear now which implies 0 minus 6 whole square agar it is abhi kar 36 guys careful go 36 even 0 minus 6 go minus 6 whole square that is plus 36 plus y minus 5 whole square as you identity a minus b whole square you go y square plus 5 square that is 25 minus go 10y 2ab which is equal to even 4 square that is 16 plus y minus 3 whole square we going to simplify even y square plus 9 minus 6y which implies now y square cancel and 36 plus 25 that is 61 minus 10y when 61 minus 10y is equal to 16 plus 9 so go 25 minus 6y which have value of y according to equation now it implies that y will transfer एक side smooth constant is weak sides. You get बनते minus 10y plus 6y is equal to 25 minus 61.
61.
Which implies it is minus 10y plus 6y go minus 4y is equal to 25 minus 61. Kuda go? We can't pass she. What should? 36. So it's when minus 4y is equal to 36 minus 36. So it implies minus cancel. Y go till 36 divided by 4, or it implies y is equal to 9. So let's y is 9. When the value of y is 9. So then what is the required point? That is 0, 9. What are the coordinates of the required point? 0, 9. Therefore, the coordinates or the point or the therefore the required point is, because the required point P 0, 9. You got answer. So 0, 9 is the required point. Okay? So if we as an example, now tomorrow in the next class we will start exercise 7.1. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. So we are given 2 points. We have to find distance between these 2 given points. So now let me start it in the next lecture, exercise 7.1. Okay? Okay.